Hello friends, this is Saurabh. Now I am here with a new topic named as aptitude. Actually, I have faced the one of the competitive examination named as a GATE. So I realized that the aptitude plays vital role there. So I came to know that that is the most important part for that examination, any competitive examination. So I have decided to explain the trick to find the basic like the squares, cubes. So we can see here as we will see trick to find the squares. As already each person or every candidate student must know the squares up to 30 or 20. You must know. Okay, and that from that we can have the quick answer and we'll get quick solution where we will try to save our time. Now here is the trick. We'll try to find the answer quickly. Plus b square. We'll apply that formula to find the square. Here we can say that we'll make three compartments for each calculation, that a square plus then twice ab and for b square. We'll see here. Now we'll compare that. We'll take one example about to find the square. We can see here that 25 is the number where we'll find the square of that number. That here is the a equal to 2 and b equal to 5, and we'll arrange that numbers in three compartments. Here we can see that 2 square and then 2 into 2 into 5, then 5 square, that is nothing but the base square. We'll see here. Then the unit digit of that 5 square, that is 25. The 5 is the unit digit of that 5 square, and that will be the answers unit digit will be there, and 2 will be carry for the next step. We'll see here. We'll add that one for the next step. The same the carry is there for next step also 2, and we have add that carry in next step, that we'll get answer as a 625. That is the square of the 25 is the 625. As you can take any example, any number, and from that you can see two-digit number. You can find answer as the examples are given below, to 32, 81, 57, 44. We can try for that. We'll definitely get answer. Then we'll understand the trick to find the cube. Okay, we'll see here that every candidate or student must know the cube up to 10 any two-digit number. Here the one of the formula is also there from maths only, that a plus b bracket cube. That is nothing but the expansion of that formula is like that: a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b square. Here the sequence plays vital role here. So we must take into mind that consideration. Okay, we'll see here. Now the one of the example we'll try to understand by taking one of the example here, that 25 is the number we have taken here. Actually we'll make a difference, so we have taken the same number as a 25 to find a square and a cube. Now we'll arrange that number as according to that formula. Though we can see here that t cube in first column, first compartment, then 3 into 2 square into 5, then 3 into 2 into 5 square, and last column 5 cube is there. We'll see here. We'll do calculation, and according to that we'll add the carry, and you can see here the 5 cube is 125, and the last digit, that is nothing but the unit digit of the 5 cube is 5. So that will be the answers unit digit will be there. And we'll see here that carry we have add that next step. So we'll get that 10 digit as a 2, and according to that we'll get finally answer will get as the 15,625. This is the answer, that is nothing but the cube of 25. We can see here. We another take will You can also try by taking another example also. You can try, definitely you will get the answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you.